Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Power of Compounding. Friends, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all notifications. So friends, in yesterday's video I promised I will make a video today on my favorite stock, which is asset light and scalable, which means can generate more revenue without much additional cost. So I'll first give little more idea of what a scalable company is. Suppose we have Hindustan Unilever, which sells soaps. So to generate every additional 50 rupees revenue, it has to manufacture another soap for which there will be variable cost of 20 rupees. But if we take companies like Instagram or Facebook, it don't have to incur additional cost to have another customer on its site. Of course, companies like Facebook, Insta, or WhatsApp are not available to invest, for Indian investors. But we have our own Indian Facebook, Insta kind of stocks, and that is the company we are going to talk about today. So, without wasting time, let's quickly jump into the video. But I have just one small request from your side. You have to watch the video till end. You will learn lot of you will learn lot of new things today. So friends, if you ever thought of switching your job, then definitely you would have uploaded your resume to Naukri.com, and some of you must have got the new job as well. Yes, Naukri.com is just one part of the portfolio of sites present in the basket of our company, and the company's name is InfoEdge.com. So it's a pure-pledged internet company, and Naukri.com generates around 71% of revenue for the company InfoEdge. The next company in the basket is real estate platform 99acres.com. So some of you might be aware of 99acres.com, and 99acres.com generates 14% of the revenue for InfoEdge. The next website in the basket of InfoEdge is matrimonial platform Jeevansathi.com, which is the third largest player in the category and has a dominant position in North and Western India. The next stock in its basket is educational services platform Shiksha.com. InfoEdge owns 100% stake in all of these four companies: Naukri.com, 99acres.com, Jeevansathi.com, and Shiksha.com. And it also, apart from these four companies, it also holds significant ownership in 22 other companies as well. For instance, InfoEdge owns 22% of the shares in India's largest food delivery app, Zomato. And it also owns 19% in Policybazaar, the largest insurance aggregator in India. Not only this, it also owns significant part in Merit Nation educational services app, and MyDala, a discount coupons and deals app. And all of these stocks come under one umbrella, InfoEdge, which was founded by Sanjeev Bikhchandani. Friends, the future is internet, and the growth potential for internet based companies is huge, especially in markets like India. And as I said, for all these websites, they are highly scalable and can generate exponential revenues and profits. So let's look at the share price. It's exponentially growing stock and currently has a market cap of 61,000 crores. And currently InfoEdge.com is part of Nifty Next 50 index, and it even has the potential to become part of Nifty 50 index soon, and the day is not very far, and so definitely having a stock from Nifty 50, it really makes us very happy. And so in very soon, I'm 100% sure this company is going to be part of Nifty 50, and it's so much prestige as an investor. So far, if you like the video, and please like the video and comment your favorite stock in the comment section, so that I'll try to make video on that stock as well. So thank you friends for watching till the end, and please subscribe to our channel.